So we've got here a 30-year-old baby jade bonsai. Super easy to care for baby jades, well beloved for how easy they are to care for, but this is something you don't normally see. The cascades. We usually don't see something with a rigid, hard trunk like this cascading down. It's super cool. It's not something we personally do here very often, but when nature presents itself to you, you're going to pot it appropriately. We put it in a nice, gorgeous pot. I don't speak Japanese or Chinese, so I don't know what on earth that would say, but it sure is beautiful. It's like a tattoo or something. But enough about the pot. Look at this trunk development. Going all the way through, all the way down. Whoa, whoa, look at this. There's a frog living in my bonsai tree. We're going to ship this tree to you if you want it. Link in the bio, link in the description, but obviously it's a healthy tree if this little froggy loves living in it. It's not going to go and hang out in something it doesn't love. I tell you, I've been living here for over 30 years, for longer than this tree's been alive, and I don't think I've ever seen a frog living in one of my bonsai trees before. That's super crazy. Back to the tree. It's beautiful. Click the link if you want to buy it. This is super cool.